We're in Burton-on-Trent to surprise Andy Johnson with the news that he's just won himself a brand new Porsche Macan GTS and £50,000 to go with it. We're just waiting for him to come down. I'm going to try and scare him. Boo!
No way. No, what did you know?
Hello, Andy.
No.
Christian from BOTB.
How are you doing, mate?
Oh, good. How are you? Yeah, you well?
Yeah.
I wish I didn't scare you or you were scared because you're a big chap. I didn't know.
No way. Wow. It's like a dream.
It's like a dream. Good. Well, I can pinch you and certainly say that, yeah, it's not a dream. Now, it just so happened that we've been filming today, because today's Monday. Usually, as you know, we surprise our winners on a Tuesday. However, we were only about an hour away from you today filming for some of the content that we do. And we thought, you know what? Even if we can't get hold of a car, let's go and say hi to Andy.
Great.
Hopefully you won't mind,
because
I've been calling every dealer there is across the country trying to find a car to come to you. However, you live literally in the middle of nowhere. It's a gorgeous place in the world, by the way.
Thank you very much.
However, we couldn't get a car to you. I am pleased to say, Andy, you are this week's winner of the Dream Car competition. You have just won a brand new Porsche Macan GTS.
Wow.
It's worth over 70 grand.
Wow. Amazing.
Now, we can obviously buy you a brand new one, so if you'd like it in a Larry green colour, we can obviously get it for you in a Larry green colour. Red's my favourite when it comes to the GTS, but you can obviously have your pick. I don't know how much you know about the GTSs.
Yeah, I know quite a bit.
Oh, good. Okay, so you know all the options and everything that they come with.
Yeah,
I've
got it fully spec'd out. It's on the code already.
Nice.
I've got the code here ready to go.
Well, literally hit the buy button and we can get it for you.
Yeah,
amazing, fantastic. Well, that is part one, obviously. Fantastic car. I would have loved to have shown you one in person, but obviously just couldn't quite get all the cogs in the right place to do that. So here's a lovely picture of one, but hopefully you'll have one on your driveway and not in the not too distant future.
Absolutely.
There is one thing that I do have with me though, because you also slid the slider on the website. Andy, I'm pleased to say, not only have you won a brand new Porsche Macan, you also won 50 grand to go with it.
Wow. Mad.
That's a £120,000 prize.
My mind's a bit blown.
Just off camera, just there, and he went, I think I'm going to cry. You went, you're not filming, are you? I said, no, but I will mention it.
I keep having like waves of emotion.
And I like the way you keep backing away from me like I'm going to do so. I'm not, I know it's Halloween soon, but I'll try not to scare you again. And it's an amazing prize that you've won, as I mentioned, a huge amount of money.
Yeah.
What's going through your head? I know you're feeling a bit kind of all over
I literally
the place.
just got told that there's somebody wanted to speak to me about my car. I was thinking, who could that be? Who comes around this sort of area and stuff like that? I was like, what? It can't be. And for a second I thought, is it Christian? And then I turned around, I could see the camera out over there. And then that was
the
it.
penny dropped.
Yeah.
Amazing.
The penny dropped.
Obviously got the £50,000 as well to go with it. So any ideas of what you might want to spend some of that money on?
There's a certain percentage that's going to go on the car. I was thinking about getting a van because ours is just kaput. You see it probably just outside in the drive there. So
the one that's literally looks like it's broken down.
Yes, it literally has. So yeah, we've got quite a few dogs.
Okay, cool.
So that was our way of getting them round. So I was thinking about maybe getting something else for them. Yeah.
Huge congrats. Well done, mate.
Thanks, mate. Well done. Cheers.
So I think we should spray some champagne.
Let's do it.
Wow. Well, that is one way to do it.
It's all gone.